So here I have a 6.5-inch Black Beauty style snare. It's made by a company called Drum Paradise. A guy named Chris Hewer made it. And it's tuned medium low. It's kind of my go-to sound that I like. It's got 3 pieces of gaff tape on here. So it has a little bit of ring, not too much. Most of the time in a track, that bit of ring will get eaten up unless it's incredibly compressed. It's not too ringy. The snares are also kind of medium tight. I don't like super tight snares where it's really defined. Obviously not too loose, which can be a cool sound, but just kind of for a general sound, a medium setting there. So let's hear how it sounds. I can also mention that most of the time when I'm playing, I don't use rim shots. As a general rule, I just like the sound of drums better without rim shots. In powerful situations, I definitely go to those when I need volume and crack. But my go-to is no rim shots, hit it in the middle, and try to get, you know, the fattest sound I can get. Let's check this snare out in the track. Okay, so I've tuned the snare down now. When you start to tune a drum lower, most drums, they get a little nastier sounding. So I still have 3 pieces of gaff on here, and this is what it sounds like with it tuned lower. Snares are at the same tension. At this point, I would most likely add dampening to a lower dead snare. Again, this is all subjective to the musical situation that you're in, recording a song or a live situation. But here it is with kind of a homemade 0 ring on it. So a little more appealing sound. This is where snare tension can really come into play. I'm going to tune it up so it's choked. Actually still sounds pretty cool, and those snares are really tight. And now I'll tap the drum while I'm loosening the snares. So one thing I might do if I was in a recording situation is actually play with the snare tension to kind of time it to the song, so it's almost like a gate.